वेलकम टू मुंबई सिटी बाव.
नेता हुशार त्याचे आश्वासन बास, ऍडमिशन कॉलेजात घालून प्रिन्सिपलला घास. जो पकडेल विरार फास्ट तो ट्रेन मध्ये जायला, जो त्रास देईल भाईला घ्या त्याला साईडला.
Hi guys, it's another day, another week and another reality check for all of you sitting back home there.
Hi guys, I'm Sumantro, currently pursuing BA.
So Sumantro, tell me, how have you been, Sumantro?
Definitely better than the Mumbai locals.
Why do you say so? Mumbai locals have, created a benchmark all over the world. Mumbai locals is like the biggest railway network in the world.
Accepted, but have you had a look at the Mumbai locals during the peak hours? You can't get into the first class compartment also. It's like all the peoples, all the vendors catering to unwanted needs. It's like an orgy.
अरे यार, क्यों डेली सोप की हीरोइन की तरह रो रहा है यार?
Dude, I will tell you about an incident which happened to one of my friends the other day.
Who friend? Which friend you talking about?
Wait, I'll tell you. You know, it was such a situation where the other people had to make the people understand what the situation is and help her out.
Okay, so?
So, one of my friends, let me tell you, don't interrupt me while I'm speaking. I don't like it.
Cool. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it.
Yeah, my friend was traveling in a Mumbai local. It was crowded. It was really crowded. And when she got in, her shoelace untied. And then
Why was she wearing a shoe then?
I'll ask her and let her know about it. Okay, don't interrupt, please.
Sorry.
Don't interrupt.
Sorry. My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
Let me start again. So, my friend, she just entered into a Mumbai local. She was already late, and she just came into the local which came first. Okay.
Okay.
And she had a lady which was smelling like fish shoved her face, like up her face.
Fuck, dude, like Bengalis?
Ami, mach, khabo.
Okay. What next? What happened?
So, as you know, her shoe untied, and she just told the lady to just shift so that she can tie her lace back. But she just did not budge.
Wait. It's lot of interruption here. Just wait. Continue.
Yeah. So as you know, her shoe untied, and she just asked the lady who smelled like fish just so that थोड़ा बाजू में हट जाओ, मुझे मेरा shoelace बांधना है.
हाँ,
So
तो
then
वो कोलीवाड़ा की थी क्या?
मेरे को क्या बता रहे अभी? Stop interrupting.
Okay.
Third time I'm telling you, stop interrupting.
Sorry. My bad.
Yeah. So she told me, I want to tie my shoelace. So please, can you just get aside? But she just did not budge. She was like, kya?
That's it?
That's it. And she just did not
End of
budge.
story?
She just did not budge. And at the end of the day, she just got irritated and did not move from her place.
So what happened?
My friend got irritated, she got irritated, and the other people had to explain it to the ladies. Chalo, jaane do, chodo. So it was a bad situation, man. Bad situation.
See, basically what I think is, sometimes the situation is such that you cannot just do anything about it. You have to compromise and smile back with sarcasm, You just have to do that.
Yeah, that's right. That's absolutely right. But, hats off to the Mumbai locals. They serve us, they give us what we need, that is fast commute, fast travel. Don't you think so?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's no point, just saying that, oh my god, aaj ka local train late hai, aaj ye hai, wo hai. Because the railways is doing a wonderful job. They're trying their hard. Recently, they started off with 12 coach trains in the harbour line. So it's everything. They're trying their level best, So just let us all not complain and crib about it. Okay?
Exactly.
Just we have to compromise. We have to smile with sarcasm, and we have to know that Mumbai Railways, the local trains are for us, for our commute. So that's what it is. We'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Kalambali bhai, Ishan Vishwanath signing off with Sumantro Chatterjee.
किसी जीने का तरीका कौन सा या देशाला
मेरी नसों में बसा